If you're looking to do maintenance on the Honda GCV17, then stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this video. This is the set that I purchased to swap out the blades, spark plug, filter, and I also have oil, which I didn't need to change. But the other items I do end up changing here in this video. Starting off with the blades. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. This is the tool set that I ended up using to be able to do this maintenance. There's going to be a link for this product down in the description below. It has all the tools you would need for this project and of course hundreds of other projects as well. So what I'm going to be using is my ratchet and my 16mm socket to remove two bolts that are holding in the blades. Now the blades, you could sharpen them and reuse them, and I'll show you how I did it here in this video. You would need a filer, of course, to be able to sharpen the blades, but of course you could also replace the blades, which is what I really ended up doing. And I did use this screwdriver to hold the blades in place. You could use your hands if you have gloves on, or maybe a towel to kind of hold the blades in place, or you might find another method, or you know of another method, and I'm sure you'll let me know in the comments section what you would prefer to do, or what's safest. So this is what I ended up doing to remove two bolts from the bottom part of the lawnmower to remove these blades, which are really totally messed up and really needed to be replaced. You hit branches, you hit rocks, and these blades end up getting damaged, and that's why it's really important to either sharpen them or replace them totally. Again, there's a link down in the description below for the blades and the whole set that I purchased on Amazon. That link's going to be down in the description below, along with the link for the tool set, which will include all the tools I ended up using in this video. So as you can see, these blades are not in the best condition. This is not good to cut your grass with blades that are dull or damaged, because you're really not going to get the cut that you need, and it could damage the grass blades. So I ended up filing these out. So once you're done sharpening, you can put these back on. Again, if you have gloves on, then you can hold on to the blades. I would prefer really a towel or something to hold them in place. I actually ended up using a screwdriver to hold things in place, and that worked out for me. It wasn't the best option, but it was an option that I was able to do quickly. Now, if you wanted to go the route of going with the brand new set, you could also swap out the spark plug and the air filter while you're at it, and change out the oil if you wanted to as well. Maybe doing another video showing you how to replace the oil. I've done it recently, and so I'm not going to do that at this time, but subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see me replace the oil on the Honda GCV17. These are brand new blades. They seem like they're dull, but really they come from the manufacturer like that. And so I left them. I didn't sharpen them or anything like that. I'm sure you could sharpen them if you really wanted them to be extremely sharp, or more sharp than they are. You might find that they are a little bit dull. Okay, so now that the blade is totally locked in place and tightened down, and I'm now going to replace the air filter. It's simple. You simply will pull off the cover and take out the old filter. You can see mine wasn't too bad. I'm still going to replace it though, because why not? And there I have a brand new filter. Next, I'm going to be replacing the spark plug on the lawnmower. Now, one thing is the tool that I used, the adjustable wrench that I used, is not the best, absolute best option, but really for me it was, because ended up being really simple to do. With these spark plugs, many times you need a specific socket, a deep socket, and you'll have to purchase it separately. But when you have an adjustable wrench with the tool set that I have linked down in the description below, makes it really easy for, you know, small things like this. Of course, if you're doing maintenance on your lawnmower, you want to hit everything at once, so that way you're starting fresh, maybe in the springtime or around the beginning of summer when you're really starting to cut. This spark plug definitely needed to be replaced. This is the new one that I'm going to be installing. All right, so once that spark plug is snugly fit, you're going to reconnect it, and now you can start up your lawnmower. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. That's all I have for now. Thanks for watching, and until next time.